He just wanted us to call him Captain Da. He said you can call me Dada, whatever that meant.
Out of gas, still burning. Hey there. Who, me? Just a friendly neighborhood speed demon. I'm out to NASCAR, the fast car, to the last car, till there ain't no cars left. As the gusts go by with enough dust flying around to make you cry, bite down and choke half near to death. I'll be on your left. Sorry about that. See, like you, I push a bucket. I like to burn big. Like you, I gotta cut all the bullshit out of my life to live. So I tell them move over, this road ain't big enough for you. I'm flying like Knight Rider, they trying to keep up with their grandma outside. Besides, maybe they still belted radios expired. Maybe they tired. Maybe their odometer needs to be rewired or something.
Fucking asshole!
My bad. Can you believe some of the drivers they let out here on the road? See, the whole thing slows down. Gotta find that clown that's gonna give you your scene for the traffic. Take it now. So much hostility. Y'all just keep checking your rear windows. Maybe you'll catch me.